to the oven cook. Today I'm going to be doing, I don't know what it's called really. I've seen it a couple of times, so I'm going to do my best to replicate it. So what we've got here is potatoes, olive oil, pepper, some salt, paprika, let those marinate for a little bit. Got some pork mince, pepper, salt, Italian seasoning, paprika, nutmeg. Do is mix this in well. And we'll just let that rest. Okay, so we've got a Savoy cabbage. Take these big leaves off. I'll chop those up and put them in the bag and put them in the freezer. So all I'm going to do is cut this. Some greaseproof paper. So a little spray. The olive oil, salt and pepper, and we get our mince, make it into a nice burger shape. so. Get our chips out onto the tray. So put these in the oven to start. So we've got some Greek style yogurt. Spring onion, some dill, and just spread some of this on top. And we'll pop those in the oven. We'll give it about 25 minutes, 35 minutes, bring it out, have a look, and sort the chips out as well. So, see you soon. Some Parmesan cheese. Pop them back in. Pop these out. Don't worry about the crispy bits because they won't be staying. Actually, they might taste alright. Might keep those. And the same with this. Parmesan cheese on top. And we'll put those back in the oven to finish off. See you soon. Okay, so there we go. We've got our pork mince rested on a bed of cabbage. We've got our chips with paprika, garlic and Parmesan cheese. Obviously we've got our ingredients in with the pork, and we've got our little dip which I'll put on top of the pork, which is yogurt, spring onions and dill. So this could be very, very tasty. It smells absolutely gorgeous. So what we do, oh, and these crispy bits which I threw away, I ate those and they're very, very tasty. Nice, very nice. Definitely cook this again. I don't know what it's called, but I'll think of a name. So if there's a title with it in, all well and good. If there's not, then there's not a name for it. So as always, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. See you later guys, bye.